Tags in teamwork projects are a great way to quickly organize your tasks, projects, milestones, and more. We're not limited to just one tag on an individual item, and we can easily browse through and manage all of our tags in our site settings. Adding a tag couldn't be easier, so for example here, if we want to tag a project, all we need to do is hover over that project and you can see the option to add a tag. So in this installation we have several tags that we use here, or indeed we can add a new tag if we want to, but since this is a blog content project, I'm going to tag it as blog. And now you can see here that our tag has been added. Here we are in the tasks tab, and similar to using tags on a project, we can also easily hover over a task and then add a tag here. So let's just add a new tag. So I want to add a website graphics tag, and I can choose the color for this tag here and then just select create new tag. And again, we're not limited to just one tag, so I can add more tags here. So let's say graphics and images. And now our 2 tags have been added. If we go to the milestones tab here and hover over a particular milestone, again we can see the option to add a tag for a milestone. We can also add tags to files. So now we see the option to add a tag here. Likewise for time, we can even tag our time here. If we want to add tags for our links, we can easily do so. So here you see the option to add a tag. If we want to manage our tags, we can easily do so by selecting our profile picture here and then selecting the settings option. And then in our site settings, just make sure that we have selected the tags tab. And now here we can see all of the tags that we're using, as well as our inactive tags. So if we select some tags here, so I'll go with charter and written, you can see that we have the option to search through all items containing these tags. If we've selected more than one tag, we can merge these 2 tags, and we can also delete these tags here. And as well as being able to create a new tag on a specific item, we can also create new tags here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use tags in teamwork projects. If you have any further question, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.